In this video, I will show you step by step how you can download and install Fortnite for free in your laptop just in few seconds. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So what you need to do, guys, you just need to open your Google account like this. If you are using any browser, just open your browser, go to the search and search for Epic Games. So this is the first step that you should do, okay? Go to Google, search for Epic Games. Click on the first link like this. So all you need to do is you need to install this Epic Game Launcher to your laptop, okay? So this is the first step. So just click on the first link and it's gonna take you to this page over here like this. As you can see, it's really super easy, guys. So what you will do next, so you just need to click over here. So let me show you. You just need to click on download, okay? So just click on download and this Epic Game Launcher will be downloaded to your laptop. So you will install this Epic game in your laptop. I already installed this Epic game in my laptop. After you finish, it should be in your laptop like this, Epic Games Launcher, okay? So just click on your Epic Game Launcher and it's gonna be like this. This will be your home page, okay? So what you will do next, you just need to click over here on the search and search for Fortnite, okay? Search for Fortnite like this and you should find this application here. So click on the Fortnite name and it's gonna take you again to this page over here, okay? So all you have to do is just click over here on in library, okay? And it's gonna take you again to this page, to this next page. So you have here install. So just click over here on install and Fortnite will be installed in your laptop. Then you can go and start playing Fortnite with your friends or your family and so on, okay? So that's how we can download and install Fortnite in your laptop. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next one.